Napakakalat. Inayos ko na to. Ang galing-galing ng pagkaayos ko. May kinuha lang si Dan and ganyan nakakalat, guys. Ang kalat na nakakainis. Ay, nako, Danny boy. Ayusin muna natin to before natin makuha yung aking Christmas tree. I emptied yung mga stuff na hindi inayos ni Dan. Nandito na siya, guys. Ito yung sobrang kalat. Kasi hindi niya inayos. Hindi niya nilagay ng maayos sa lalagyan. Tinambak niya lang doon. And ngayon, ako yung gagawa. Yung gusto ko lang naman ilabas yung Christmas tree, pero mapapaayos tayo because wala eh. Ang tagal ko na sanang gustong i-put up yung Christmas tree. Nung inopen ko yung dito under the stairs, sobrang, ay naku guys, yung ulo ko talaga. Sabi ko, my gosh, inayos ko yan ng bongga. Tapos ngayon, bakit ang gulo-gulo? Can you put in these dummy quickly, please? Ito na itsura. Dapat kasi dito nilalagay yung mga camping chairs. Kanina, sobrang kalat dito kasi hindi niya inayos lagay sa lalagyan. But lagay natin yung camping chairs dyan. And gusto ko walang ilagay dito para makakapaglakad ako dyan sa gitna kung may kunin man ako doon. So, ganito yung setup ko noon after ko siya inayos. So, ayusin natin ulit. And nandun yung mga Christmas ornaments, Christmas tree ko nandyan sa pinakamalaking box na yun sa pinakalikod. And nandyan yung mga Christmas decors natin na iba. Ready for Christmas?
Yeah. I'm very ready for Christmas. It's Halloween. I'm opening it for you. Oh no. Mommy?
What?
I think Cindy wants to join us.
Does she?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you bring her, please?
Yeah.
Yes.
You can.
Let me bring her. I like those. Hey, time of Christmas. Christmas. We are going to Mommy. What is that? For little baby. It's a Christmas baby. Yeah. Where's the nutmeg? Let's open this now.
Not yet. You wanna see, Indy?
Yeah. Christmas tree, Christmas rock. Halloween mom says Halloween mom.
Oh, Halloween!
Yes.
So
Look,
good.
that's the Christmas ghost, mom. That's the Christmas ghost. You know what else in the show?
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Hello!
Oh. Yes, take a bite. Yes, take a bite, everyone. Yes, take a bite. Yeah.
Aww.
That's me. Ho, ho, ho. I'm Santa Claus. I'm Master Tola. Hello, guys. I'm Santa Claus. Hello, guys. I really want to open this, but I can't. But I sure can. Okay, can someone help me? Someone help me open this.
She wants to see Santa, guys.
Hey, Ricky.
This is Father Christmas, Santa.
Hello, wanna come Christmas. meet up right here.
Louder.
We are going to practice meet up right here.
Ready?
Open it. Whoa!
Ready? Ready, Arlo?
Found it.
Okay, put it down, put it down. We're not playing with this. We are not playing with this.
What is this?
You guys, you promised you're gonna be good. So listen to Mama. Put it down, thank you.
It's big, Mama.
It is really big.
Banana, banana. Banana. What's the heavy? It's heavy, Mom. What is this?
Oh, well done, Arlo.
Hey, Lala. It's heavy. It's heavy. Mommy, wait.
Oh, strong kids. I think she wants to watch.
Oh. Okay.
You are very strong.
Ew, it's pooping.
Did she?
Yeah.
Did she really? I just changed your nappy.
Just drop it.
I'm not gonna drop it. See? You like it?
It's nice.
It's nice.
It's too heavy. It's so
Ooh! Uh-oh, wait. Let me just move Indy.
It's so hard. I can do it so hard.
Lift it up. Like this. Ugh.
It's flat. Is that heavy?
It is heavy.
Let me open it.
Ready for this?
Yeah.
1, 2. Yay!
Yeah.
Can you give me the last one? Where's the head? Here. Ready?
Mom, I want to light it up.
Careful, Arlo. Alright, ready guys?
Yeah.
Where's the switch? Ready to see the lights? Look at the Christmas tree. Ready? Steady? Is it fun? Yeah.
Now we need to decorate our house.
Napatayo na natin guys. Spread ko lang yung mga branches. Tapos, I will put on bows. So, it will be a really
Let's
simple
eat.
Christmas tree this year. Feeling ko lang, I still have the ornaments. I have it out already. Kaya lang meron ako nakita sa TikTok na ang ganda-ganda niya guys. Bows lang yung ginamit niya. So, we got these ribbons from Spotlight. Merong malaki, merong ganito kaliit. So, we'll see. You like it, Arlo?
Yeah.
That's good. Is it a good Christmas tree, Arlo?
Yeah, that's me.
I love it.
Yeah, you have it.
Yeah, I love it, Arlo. Thank you.
Hey, nice light in the sky.
Okay, so ito na yung itsura ng Christmas tree natin. Ayan na, guys. So, yung Christmas tree namin, I got it from Meijer. And it's a pre-lit Christmas tree. So, this year, I wanna keep it simple and just put ribbons on it. So, meron tayong dalawang klase ng ribbon. Itong maliit and itong makapal. Pinabili ko yung makapal kasi iniisip ko baka ilagay ko siya sa doon sa top. But, if hindi na siya kailangan, hindi ko siya ilalagay. So, lagay ko muna to. Gagawa muna ako ng ribbon, tapos lagay ko muna dyan. So, na-inspire ako sa TikTok. Meron ako nakita sa TikTok. Ang ganda-ganda ng Christmas tree niya, guys. Champagne na ribbon yung gamit niya. And it looks really nice. But I wanted to use red. Yan yung nakita ko. Ang ganda-ganda, diba? So, pinakita niya kung paano gawin. So, gawin natin. We have one bow, guys. And I like it. Actually, dalawa yung nakabit ko kanina. Kaya lang kailangan kong kunin ulit para i-measure. Kasi mas okay itong measurement nitong isa. Mas mahaba ng konti kaysa dyan. So, i-cut ko lang ng ganito kahaba. Tapos, itatali natin directly sa Christmas tree. Nagko-cooperate naman si Indy so far. Nandyan siya sa pot. Hindi pa siya... gising siya. Tinatry kong patulugin sa bouncer kanina. Natutulog kaya lang nagigising. So, nilipat ko sa cot with a swaddle. And hopefully, matulog siya. Para matapos natin tong Christmas tree na to. Kulang tong ribbon ko. Originally, nagpabili ako ng dalawa. Kaya lang, yung napuntahan ni Dan na spotlight kahapon, isa lang yung ganitong size na tira. So, kailangan niyang pumunta sa ibang spotlight. But I'm not sure kung kailan siya pupunta. Ay. Hala, agoy! Uy, ang konti lang. I only have 5 in total. That's not much. Uh-oh. Yun na, tapos na. Agoy. Kulang, guys. Merong isa makapal. But I don't think lalagyan ko yung top eh. I don't think magta-topper ako this year. Kasi parang ang cute lang ng simple lang. We only have 4 so far. Pang-5 yung kay Ayla, kaya lang mamaya na natin yan itali kasi kailangan ko pa yung measurement niyan. Pero ang cute niya. Gusto ko siya. Mas maganda to tingnan kapag syempre marami. But yeah, tinali ko lang siya directly sa tree. And ganyan yung itsura niya. Simpulan lang tayo this year. Ayan.
Mommy, can you help me?
Oh, we're not using that one yet because we need that to measure the other bows. Tinry ko actually yung mas makapal, kaya lang mas maganda tingnan yung manipis. Tinry ko lang guys yung red ornaments, and yeah, I think I will do bow and red ornaments. Yeah, we'll do that. Just the red. Just to fill the space as well. Yeah. Parang mas maganda kung bow lang. I don't know now. I don't know. Hindi pa din kasi natin matatapos kasi wala pa tayo, kulang pa tayo ng bow. Hinayaan ko lang yung mga bata. Just the red, okay? Nakapajamas pa din ako, guys. Ito na to. Tuloy-tuloy na to kasi 4:30 na. Maya-maya lang darating na si Daddy. Magluluto na ako ng dinner. Tapos maliligo kami. Tapos magpapajamas na naman ako. So, ito na yun. Anyway, we got a package from H&M. This is for Daddy. Nag-order ako ng mga bagong damit para kay Dan. Hopefully, may magustuhan siya. Kung hindi niya magustuhan, i-return natin. Free returns ang H&M as long as member ka.
I want to open it too.
You wanna open it? Okay. I'm just trying not to be too noisy because Indy's sleeping. And I don't want to break the paper bag as well because if we return something, we will put it in the same bag. I'll help you open and then you help me take out the stuff, okay?
No, I'm not opening it.
Yeah, you open the bag inside. There's a lot of bags inside.
It's the puppet bags.
No, it's not toys.
It's the puppet bags though.
No, it's not puppet bags. Ipapatry ko to kay Dan mamaya. And itatry niya talaga to. Hindi gaya nung Uniqlo na binili ko tapos hindi niya tinry. Pero sinuot niya naman. So, sana magustuhan ni Daddy. Ay, maikli. Apaka-ikli naman. Yeah, it's wide, kaya lang maikli. Yeah, kasi nga nag-declutter ako di ba guys? And ang dami kong dineclutter na damit ni Daddy. Tapos kailangan niya din i-update yung kanyang wardrobe. Actually, ang dami niyang damit. Hindi niya sinusuot. Alright, this is another loose fit one. Okay, I think this one's alright. Ang ganda pa ng kulay na to. Singlet, yun yung kailangan ni Dan. So, sana itong singlet na to magkasya. Kasi right now, yung mga sinisuot niyang singlet, yung binili namin sa Bali, guys, yun lang. Iba-iba lang yung print, iba-iba yung kulay ng print. Pero it's the same thing. And he needs singlet, especially now na mainit. Ayan. Another singlet. Ang ganda ng kulay nito. It's from the Dry Move na line. Same to ng kulay na binili ko sa kanya sa Uniqlo. And ang ganda sa kanya ng kulay na to. Parang maikli, guys. Bakit parang maiikli? Ang ganda ng style. Parang baliktad, pero hindi. Okay, this one's perfect actually. Yeah, this is nice and long. Just a plain black tee.
He has another color.
Para talagang maikli yung mga oversized na fit. Yeah, maikli talaga.
Mommy.
Tingnan nyo. This color is nice as well, ate.
Mommy, what
Okay,
you
this is
have?
nice.
You have
Yan, gray.
I really want to try
Pagdating nun, magagalit yun guys. Kasi bakit ang dami-dami niyan? Ito regular fit. Ang maganda sa H&M is, nandito na yun may return label na sila. So wala ka nang gagawin, hindi ka na magpiprint. Ito lang, i-fill out mo lang to, yung i-return mo. Tapos use the same bag and then drop sa post office. That's it. Very easy. Do you like the Christmas tree, Alo?
No.
It's not finished yet.
Is it finished?
Not yet. Daddy's gonna be home really, really soon.
And then that is so it's Christmas.
You wanna show him Christmas tree?
Yeah.
Pinaliguan namin si Indie Girl. Kakatapos lang maligo. She's very fresh. Pagdating ni Dan, isa-start natin yung dinner. Kasi hindi pa ako nakapag-start mag-dinner, guys. Because this girl, pinaliguan ko. Tapos ngayon, I think she needs a feed. Do you need to eat, Baba? Try ko nga ibaba. Para matimplahan ko yung lamb chops. Go for it, Alo. As long as you eat it. We're having lamb chops and salad. Is he eating it or you're eating it?
Are you just doing chops or?
And salad.
I noticed this Halloween a lot, and it looks like a snowman.
That's Halloween.
I said out.
Uh-oh. Alo, eat your food, please. I'm gonna put the door decor.
Wait, on the door?
Yeah, outside. Remember I made that last time?
Ah, yeah, you can't yourself out. Can I have enough work?
Did you save the lettuce from last night?
5, 6, 7, 9.
What are you making?
No, because we might need more lettuce for salad tomorrow.
Hello,
Ayla, finish your food.
Hello, eat your food.
Eat and finish your food. Then it'll be out. Mommy, I don't know how to do that.
Finish your food. Almost finished?
You want to have one? Mommy, do that, and then up to there, and then go down to there.
If you're going to cut the bocconcini in half, fella, that's not a bad idea.
Small.
Either. Do you want me to cut the bocconcini in half? Good idea or bad idea? Good idea.
I'm not cutting it.
So you're going to work with Daddy tomorrow after I pick you up, Princess? I might try and take her out to class 10 minutes early, and if I can do that, then I'll drop her off.
Thank you, Daddy.
I might talk to the teacher tomorrow so I can...
Yeah, you can.
Now look at Mummy. How will you describe Mummy? How does Mummy look? You look like a princess. Does Mummy look like a princess, or does she look tired?
Mauna na ako kumain kasi yung isa umiiyak. Karga-karga siya ni Dan.
Are they strong? Oh, she did too. Yeah. Oh, she was full of water.
Tapos na kumain yung mga bata. Kasi late na, 6 something. After ko kumain, patulugin ko si Indy, tapos maligo kami ng mga kids. Gabi na guys. Napatulog ko si Ate Ayla kanina pa. Kasi kapag may school siya, pinapatulog ko siya ng maaga. So natutulog yan siya before 9 kapag may school siya kinabukasan. And nag-edit lang ako ng thumbnail. And now gusto ko mag-edit pa more kasi maya-maya lang magigising na to for a feed. Siguro mga in 30 minutes. So ayoko nang matulog, tapos gigisingin lang din ako in 13 minutes. So gusto kong mag-edit. Kaya ko ba? Hindi ko natapos yung Christmas tree kasi nga kulang kami ng mga gamit. Pero ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung finished product na. So insert ko na lang dito.
Chocolate? You're chocolate. I am chocolate. I am. Mommy, I am chocolate. Mommy,
What did you take?
I am chocolate.
Which one?
I am chocolate.
What did you take?
I am chocolate.
Which one?
I am chocolate.
Took what?
I turtle.
Ay, nako. Where is it now?
I hit next thing far right there.
Where is it now? What? Okay. Ayla, don't do that. Is it beautiful?
Why did this guy someone call Timon?
Thank you.